Try using lots of brightly coloured paper and paint to make a scrap and squiggle picture.
Let's make it! We'll need a mini maker to help us. Now, let's see if there's one nearby. Hello, mini makers. Now, who's going to help me today?
Hello, Mr. Maker. I'm Sanjay.
Hello, Sanjay.
I can help you.
Oh, that's good news. Everyone else, thank you very much. Ah, fantastic. Sanjay is on his way to help us make our picture. But first, we'll need somewhere to make it. Fantastic! The marvellous maker case has become a marvellous making table. Now we just need some arty things to make our picture. We'll need
some different coloured pieces of paper or card,
a pen and some scissors, some paint, and of course we need one more thing. That's right, we need a horn. A horn? Scraps, how did you get here? Oh, I see. Look, we don't need this at the moment, but we do need a glue stick. All right, here you go. Open up, off you go. Go on. What's he like? I don't know. Oh, well done, Scraps. That's just what we need. Thank you. We've got a glue stick. Excellent. We've got everything we need. Although it does feel like something's missing. Do you know what it is? No.
I'm here, Mr. Maker.
Of course, Sanjay, my friend. Oh, it's lovely to see you. Thank you for coming. You're just in time to help me make our picture. Look at it. It's a fantastic scrap and squiggle picture. So, Sanjay, are you ready?
Yes.
Good. Are you ready? Fantastic. Let's get making. Now, Sanjay, this picture can get a little bit messy. Do you like making a mess?
Yes.
In that case, I think it's a good idea if we put down some newspaper or some old paper first, and let's put on some aprons. There, we look great. And now we're ready to start. Let's take our colourful scraps of paper. Oh, we've got lots of lovely colours here. Let's lay them all out like this.
and then we're going to dribble paint all over them.
Let's get dribbling. Now, using this squeezy bottle makes this lots of fun and really easy.
Keep going until you've covered all of your pieces of paper. Then leave it to dry.
Now we need to cut out lots of different shapes. Now, it looks really good if these shapes are all the same size. So let's draw a square. Now I need to cut out this square, but I must be careful because scissors are...
Sharp.
That's right. There. Now we can make lots of squiggly squares that are all the same size by drawing around this square onto all the colourful scraps.
And when you've finished drawing your squares, carefully cut them out, like this. Now we've got lots of squiggly squares.
Sanjay, I'm going to give them all to you, because it's time to arrange them onto our background paper.
And the bright squares will look really good on a dark background.
Let's start arranging our squares. It looks really good if you spread out your colours and leave a gap in between all of your squares. And when you're happy with your picture, stick everything down. We've finished our scrap and squiggle picture. And if you enjoyed that, how about trying these other ideas too?
You could make a stripy scrap and squiggle picture with narrow strips of colourful paper. Or how about using triangle-shaped paper so that your picture looks like flags? Or you could use diamond shapes on a bright yellow background for a different effect.
Why don't you try one of those ideas today? Thank you so much for helping me, Sanjay. We made it! High five! Excellent work, my friend.
What a fantastic scrap and squiggle picture. Well done, Sanjay.
Make it, Mr. Maker! Mr. Maker!